Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a quick process how I make my green plantain porridge. And in America we're used to mostly oatmeal, but in Jamaica we call this porridge. So this is green plantain porridge. So I'll normally purchase my green plantains from the store, and then I need to peel them. They're like really hard to peel. They're like peeling green bananas. So I peel them with a sharp knife, and whatever is left on it, then I'll just use the knife to like scrape it off. Just like you're peeling banana, it will have little stains left on it or little pieces of the skin on it. You need to get all that off. The next step would be I need to dice this up, because I'll now need to blend this. So I dice it. You can dice it, you maybe can dice it like larger, but I dice them in little small circles. Then the next step would be to add this into my blender, and as you can see above, I added it to the blender and then I added water to it. In this I use like 1.5 cup water, I would say, to the two plantains. You can also add oatmeal to this, but in this video I only use the green plantains. Reason for blending is to get it pureed. So I add it to my blender and I blend it on medium, and then I put it on high to make sure it is blended out where there's like no lump left from the little pieces that I cut in it. So I blend this, I would say, for a 1-2 minute. Once it's like fully blended and looks like puree, then I put my pot on and I add cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, a hint of salt, and I will put the spices in the description box for you to see. Once the water starts boiling, at this point I get my pureed mixture and I slowly pour it in. While you're pouring it in, please make sure that you're stirring this, because it will start to form clumps. Once I stir it for, I would say, 1 minute and I see it starts boiling, then I leave it on medium heat. This takes, I would say, 30 to 45 minutes to boil. Once I time it for, I would say, 45 minutes the most. At this point I'm ready now to sweeten, and I sweeten this with tin milk and a little granulated sugar. Then it's ready to serve. You can also serve this with any fruit of your choice. It could be blueberry. In this video I used strawberry. This is a quick, easy breakfast for kids. In Jamaica we normally add like crackers or eat this with crackers or bread. Enjoy this little short video, and thank you again for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.